Hello, I am Professor Kakade Ramesh Machandra from MBA department. Okay, so subject name is service marketing. Today I will discuss your point first chapter introduction to service marketing. Okay, service marketing means most important part of human life like organization, company, banking, even personal life. Okay, introduction to service marketing. Okay, introduction to service marketing means we as consumer use service every day. The college and institute at which students study are themselves complex service organization. Means service marketing concept and strategic have developed in response to the growth of service industry. The economic importance of service can be seen. Service and increase domain of service in economics worldwide. The growth and economical contribution of the service sector have drove increase the attention, the issue and challenges of service sector industry all over world. Service have started to play increase important role in the economic and in individual organization. Service are particularly relevant in industry where competitive purpose force competitive differentiation. However, there are significant difference between the marketing of service and the marketing of tangible product. Okay, means a deep introduction to the service marketing, most important part of human life. Customer satisfaction is the most important. The service sector now account for more than half of India's GDP. GDP means gross domestic product. The sector has been governed at the expenses of the both agriculture and industrial sector through the 1990s. The rise in the service sector share in GDP, gross domestic product, marks of structural shift in the Indian economy and takes it the closer to the fundamental of the development economic. Means in the development economics in the industrial and service sector contribute the major share in GDP while agriculture account for the relative lower share. Okay, so then most important point, definition of service. Definition of service. First one, service refer to social efforts which include government to fight five against evils which are want, ignorance and line in the society. Means service can be defined as the action, organization which maintain the improve the well-being and functional of people. This definition through brief covers service in the well-being and function of people are improvement. The we can't ignore it will clarify the perception and the very essential service. Service is the most important part of hotel management and agriculture department like hotel, agriculture department and organization, banking sector, communication, then store, shopkeeper, transportation is the part of service. So next point is significance of service. That is most important point in service marketing. So first one, support to primary and secondary sector. Support to primary and secondary sector means primary sector and secondary sector are always in need of various service in order to function smoothly on a regular basis. Thus, service from an important part of the efficient functional this sector is most important part of support primary and secondary sector. Primary sector is regularity and secondary sector is in organization system. Okay, then second significance are create employment. What is meant by create employment? That is requirement. Service sector create a lot of employment opportunity and various sector like BOPs. BOP means break even point. Hospitality, retail, tourism, entertainment, software, and more. This in turn promotes and develops the overall growth of the nation. That is create employment. Okay. Then third one is contribution to national income. What is meant by contribution to national income? That is due to the growth and development of the service sector. The other sectors in the market are also is equal growth and development. Okay. Moreover, because of this rapid growth of development of all the sector in the market, it automatically contributes the overall national income of the country. Automatically convert in rupees, dollar, income of the country. Then next part is taxation. Okay. Fourth one point, provision for basic service. What is meant by provision for basic service? Service sector provide the country with the basic service like hospitality, transport, education, institute, court, telecommunication, insurance companies, bank, post office, and a lot more. This facilitates the daily living of the common man like us. Hospitality means, for example, sister, nurse, compounder. Okay. Transportation means, for example, driver, time to time, place to place. Educational institute means what is meant by educational system. Telecommunication means customer care. Okay. So next fifth one is improvement in India's image. What is meant by improvement in India's image? Various service in the India's market like telecommunication. Okay. Software development, information technology, other services, improvement the image of our country. That is digital marketing, like advertisement, digital marketing. Our country in the easy of the entire globe, globalization. Other nations have started consider India at par with them when it comes to service sector, means telecommunication, phone call, software development, various application, various software, information technology, one person to other person in easy and consuming time face to face communication. Okay. Next sixth part, increase in exports. What is meant by increase in export? Due to the increase the service sector and the quality of the same, there has been increase in the export of the country. This is turn adding rapid growth of development to the country in the form of and ranking, means one country to another country in part export and import. Okay. So next point, increase in number of working women. That is most important point. Increase in number of working women. Okay, due to the increase in the service sector and the employment opportunity to women too. Okay, this has marked the increased number of working women in the country, which helps in the overall entire economy. That is most important part. Okay, next, importance of service. So, importance of service, most important point, importance of service. So, first one, food service. What is meant by food service? That is most important. Food service like restaurant, cafeteria, hotels offer food service to individual and familiar who have developed the habit eating. Okay, these eating places are ever growing the service they sell definitely wanted by the public. Okay, most important part of costly food with super service and royal comfort. Increased tourism has also boosted and the development the hotel industry. That is food quality, eat quality is the most important. Increase the business and increase the facility. Service is most important. Customer satisfaction is the most important. So second, hotel and motels. Okay, most important. Lack of people every day use lodging and boarding service. Okay, all over the country, all over country. Tourism hotels, motels are the growth in number every year. Modern hotels provide the luxurious life to travels and tourism. Tourism is now considered as the major source of foreign exchange in all the country. Modern hotels, modern hotels provide the numericals attempt the comfort referred to the service. That is room service, clean, most important. Parking is the most important part in hotel. So third point, personal care service. Personal care service is the most important in the personal life. Rising standard of living brought about the development in the personal care service, helping a customer to be well groomed. These services are the offered by the health, fitness centers, beauty parlors, barber shop, laundries, garment repair shop, shop repair shops, shoes repair. So as health and fitness organization is growing in importance their popularity in all the countries due to an ever increased demand for improving individual personality and efficiency. In the anti-fat modern culture and lifestyle, figure and weight reduction due to waste have assumed unique importance. People have money and they do not mind spending the themselves. Okay, so personal care service is the most important as a personality. Okay, so next one, car service firm. Car service firm. So means lack of car owners are depend on car service centers, petrol pump sell both goods and service because of which the now call as service station. Okay, they are also garage and repair shop specializes in repair and maintenance of cars, truck truck, motorcycle and scooter. That is car service most important, its service sector. So Next point, entertainment service. Entertainment service means increase purchasing power and more time are the responsible for the steady growth of entertainment service like movies, sport, parks, car racing, cricket, music, dancing and drama are such popular from the organized entertainment today. Okay, next one, transport service. So most important part of transport service means railway, bus, ship, aeroplane provided transport service from move people and goods from the one place to another place. Okay, the fastest growth has the take place in air transport. A person can be how around the world trip in just one fortnight. Air transport has become very popular in international tourism. Okay, next point, communication service. That is most important point of communication service. Nowadays, we have the latest means of communication such as the internet, mobile, telephone, telegraph, telex and postal service at our disposal. Okay, we also have television, mobile and satellite communication all over the world. The current technology has contributed the the rapid growth of the all types of communication service. The most important part of communication service in personal life, organization, company and banking. So next point, insurance service. Insurance service means insurance gives protection against risk. For example, accident, fire, death, unemployment and so on. People can save for their children's education, daughter's marriage or for their retirement security of life and property provided by the insurance give us the freedom for the space of mind. Okay, so insurance service is the most important. So next point, financial service. So financial service means many consumer require the service of the banks, their purchase of the trouble goods and usually okay through installment sales. In foreign country, they even have easy house financing through banks, bank loan, home loan is made easy with the help of modern. Okay, loan is the most important. High standard of living has become the reality of message due to customer oriented marketing approach of the by recently for financial service. That is service marketing's most important part of the any organization sector, any bank, any company, multinational company, national company, any country. Service is the most important part of human life. So thank you.